Hey there, PCB enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a crucial step in PCB production bare board testing. It's all about ensuring your boards are top-notch before they hit assembly. And we're putting two heavyweights head-to-head, bed of nails versus flying probe. Let's get into it. First up, bed of nails testing. Imagine this, a bed of spring-loaded probes making contact with test points all at once. It's lightning fast and great for mass production. You get precise test point locations and rock-solid stability. Perfect for those densely packed smartphone motherboards. Now let's talk about flying probe testing. This method uses a moving probe head to touch each test point individually. It's super flexible, adapting to different PCB shapes and sizes, and you can easily update the test programs. Ideal for prototypes, small batches, or PCBs in the R&D phase. So how do you choose between these two? Let's break it down. When it comes to cost, bed of nails has a higher upfront price but lower long-term costs. Flying probe, on the other hand, is cheaper initially but can be slower, making it great for smaller scales and rapid iteration. Think about your testing. You've got densely packed and fixed test points. Bed of nails is your go-to, but if your test points are scattered or constantly changing, flying probe's flexibility is unbeatable. And for production efficiency, bed of nails shines in high-speed mass production. Flying probe might be a tad slower, but it's perfect for rapid iteration and flexible testing. In conclusion, both bed of nails and flying probe have their unique strengths. Your choice depends on your specific testing needs and production costs. Make the right choice and watch your PCB quality soar. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tech insights. Catch you next time.